In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to place an order on Costco.com. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser. Type in Costco.com. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're over here, you're going to find this option of account. Click on that. Now you'll be prompted to enter your account's credentials and log in. In case you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. After you create your account, log into your account and you'll be directed to this kind of dashboard. Now go ahead and select the items that you want to purchase. You can also search for this specific item that you want to purchase. At the top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in the item name and search for it. Once you select the item, click on it. Select the details of the item such as color and size and add it to the cart. Once we're done adding the items to the cart, you can head over to the cart section. For that, click on this cart icon given at the top right. Here you're going to find all the items that you have added to the cart. Now you can click on checkout. You will be prompted to enter your payment details, provide that, and confirm your order. With that, you have just placed your order on Costco.com. So this is how you can easily place an order on Costco.com. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.